Hello everybody, how's it going today? This is Alshehaby. Today in our Photoshop tutorial we are going to demonstrate some of the old Photoshop actions. Those actions I've been using over the past 13 years and they are very handy. I'm gonna only demonstrate 4 actions, however, there are more actions in the zip file in the description below. Let's start and see what we have today. Here I'm gonna start by opening my Photoshop program. And as you can see, I already have 4 designs in here to use with my actions. If you can't find the action panel here, you can just go to window, and from window you can find the action here, or just click on Alt F9. Once you get your actions panel here, you can start loading your actions from this icon right here down to load actions, and then you can import them one at a time. I already imported all my 4 actions that I'm gonna use today just to shorten my video. First action we have here is called Hard Peck. Once you click on the arrow beside it, you will open the 2 steps we have. I'm gonna play the first step. Click on it, then click play. Now the first step is done. As you can see, there is a preset of the action. As you see, there is text layers. Now here you have one of 2 options. It's either you replace the texts of your own. I'm gonna replace this title here with Caminho das Exatas. After you finish, just click on the second step and hit play. And here is the final look of my book action. I'm gonna close this canvas and try the second option. Here I'm gonna hide all the text layers and import my pre-designed book cover. Just hold and drag and drop it here. Ctrl T from the keyboard to scale it down a bit to fit my canvas. Every action got its own size, so before you start, make sure you resize your book cover to match the canvas size. Next, I'm gonna click on step 2, then hit play. And here we go, the book is ready in just a click of a mouse. I often go to the layers panel here and select all my layers and it chain all them together so I can move them as a single layer. Now let's go to the second action. It's called Paper Peck. As we did with the first action, click on step 1, then hit play. Same as before, either you replace the texts in here with your own along with the background, or you can import a new design into this canvas. After I scaled it to fit in my canvas, I'm gonna click on step 2 and then play. And there is my book. Very nice and elegant work with just simple clicks. My third action here called Curvy Flat Book. Now you're all experts, yes right, just click on step 1 and hit play. I'm gonna hide all my text layers in here and drop my own design in this canvas. Then go to step 2 and hit play again. And here my book is ready. Very nice details and nice shadow. My last but not least today is my binder action. That's my final result of my final action today. There are more actions than those 4 in the zip file in the description below. Just download the link and get going yourself. I have a lot more actions and filters and more tools I have been using for a very long time in Photoshop. Stay tuned and figure them out in my next tutorials. Hopefully you find those actions useful to you and you can show off your work. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye bye.